An eSIM is a programmable built-in chip that allows you to connect to your mobile network or your carrier. It's soldered directly into that smartphone's motherboard. Unlike phones that have regular SIM cards, which can be inserted and removed, an eSIM is a permanent feature of your phone, and it can be programmed and reprogrammed to connect you to your wireless carrier or to your mobile network. If you have used a premium flagship smartphone in the last few years, you definitely have come across a phone that has eSIM capabilities, because as with all new technology, the phones at the top tend to have those features first. So the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, the iPhone 17 series, etc., down to a few years, at least, in some cases several years actually, but at least a few years depending on the brand, you have used a phone with eSIM capabilities. The beauty of eSIM is that you do not have to insert anything into your phone, remove anything into your phone. It is programmable remotely. So you contact your carrier, for example, your mobile network operator, and request for your regular line to be converted to eSIM for a phone that you have just purchased. And they would do some things remotely and then send you certain details that you enter in, and your line automatically becomes active without you needing to insert a physical SIM. So how does eSIM work? Usually you go to a carrier, sign up for a plan, a subscription, they'll set you up and then send you a QR code or certain steps with certain codes for you to enter on your phone. If you take a QR code, all you have to do is scan it with your phone's camera, and your eSIM is automatically programmed and becomes active in a matter of minutes, really. The big advantage of this is that you no longer have to shop around for a physical SIM. You no longer have to worry about a physical SIM getting damaged or stolen. If you travel, you can get into a new country, purchase a plan from carrier or mobile network operator, and they simply reprogram your phone. That new line becomes active on your phone. Immediately you're good to go. Which phones support eSIM? That's easy. Every iPhone from the iPhone XR supports eSIM, and I think every Galaxy S series from the S21 has supported eSIM. Every Google Pixel phone from the Pixel 4 has supported eSIM, and other brands like Motorola, OnePlus have one or two devices that support eSIM. Do check the specifications. As a rule, premium flagship phones support eSIM. And then if you get to the mid-range or budget segment, the higher devices within the budget segment also support eSIM. Once you drop lower in the budget segment, then you find the category of phones that don't have eSIM support at all. So it's a journey from the top somewhere and then cuts off as at 2026 somewhere in the mid-range. Which carriers support eSIM? All major carriers in the United States support eSIM. Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, they support eSIM. Several virtual operators, also MVNOs, support eSIM. In other countries, the UK, Canada, Nigeria, Australia, most network operators already support eSIM. All you have to do is get a phone that supports eSIM and reach out to your operator to convert your existing physical SIM card to an eSIM, or to get a new number provisioned via eSIM. Can you have two lines or two numbers on the same phone? Yes, it depends, but yes, many eSIM phones allow you to program multiple lines at the same time. Some of them will allow you switch between those lines as you want. Some will allow activation of only one at a time. Find out from your carrier what their limitations are. Should you use eSIM technology? If your phone supports it, absolutely. Go ahead, get with the times, go with the flow, embrace new technology, enjoy the benefits of using it. Let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. Do like it, do share it, and do follow my channel. I'll see you again.